This is going to be a quick video swapping out the batteries, the standard lead acid battery on a 2016 MULTISTRADA 1200 Enduro with a Shorai Lithium battery. I've had this battery for about a month, so it's a little low on the charge. I'm using the Noco Genius, at least the Noco 5, and I think it's well suited for this battery. Let's get to it. On the Enduro, you have to take these bolts off in order to take the seat. I already loosened it, obviously, that's why I'm able to do this. So one here and on the other side. Alright, hopefully it should be a pretty straightforward install. There's only one X bolt right here, and this clamp is wedged here on the other side, so that should be it. Disconnect the two and should be good to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna remove these two terminals. Tie these two together just to make sure don't accidentally come in contact with something you're not supposed to. Three terminals in there. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. It looks like it's got some sort of a backing and the vibration. So if you can see, let me just put it in there just as a reference. Yeah, that's tiny. I'm going to see when I put it together. As you can see, there's a lot of space, so I'm gonna have to fill the top a little bit and definitely raise it up so it fits snug against this brace. There's a good 1 to 2 inches worth of gap. We've got plenty of foam to work with, so that's not a problem. I'm going to start with the first piece of foam, like this. One piece down, one behind, and then I'm going to try to position it. So yeah, just make sure there are no pinch points for any of the connectors when you're putting the brace back on. The charging cable was pinching, so it just took me a moment to get it out of the way. And I believe that with enough foam below and around it, should be okay. Interesting. Okay, we'll just turn it over. Make sure that, well, let's see, what's the cranking power like? Good. Awesome. All right, well, that was pretty much it. Have any questions? Drop questions or comments below. Thanks.